These zucchini flowers are in season at the moment. Zucchini flowers actually grow from the top of the bush, which branches out, and it just comes from the actual centre. We always just pick the zucchinis every day. That way it just reproduces. If we leave the zucchini on the tree, it'll just slow the plant right down, which will make smaller fruit and smaller zucchini flowers. The Italians sort of introduced it a long time ago, and the Greeks, they are very familiar with it as well. If you're talking about summertime, you've only got probably about five weeks from seeding to picking. But then if you talk about winter, you're looking about double the time. So you could be up to about 10 weeks because of the colder mornings and the colder nights. It does grow much slower. There's a lot of different ways that people do them. They put them on pizzas, pasta, just stuffing the flour with bocconcini and sun-dried tomatoes, so I'm just baking them in the oven. Also in a quiche, you can put them in a quiche, do them on the barbecue as well, just turning and making sure that they're crispy on all sides. Once it's brown, it's pretty much it. Or if you're going to deep fry them, I stuff them with ricotta cheese, some fresh herbs and an egg, and then with a piping bag or a plastic bag, I'll just fill them and make a bit of a tempura batter with beer and crushed garlic, rice flour, a bit of salt and pepper, and a bit of shallow fry or deep fry. Probably only in there for about no more than 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Kids all love them. It's one of our special things that we do at Christmas time as well for the family. If you've got something that you have a special occasion coming up or a dinner party, they're great for something different on the table. If you go to Sydney Market's website and just punch in zucchini flowers recipes, and there's a lot of recipes there for you to try. One of the recipes on the website is tomato, basil and feta stuffed zucchini flowers. So if you want to try the zucchini flowers, I'm sure you can find them down at one of your restaurants, Italian restaurant. You can buy them at your local greengrocer. You should buy them today and try them. Don't be scared at all. They're not as hard as you think.